You've heard of us talking about how stress can affect metabolism. Well, sometimes our bodies will be driven to behaviors that decompress our stress without us even really knowing why. And so sometimes when you're under a really high demand, all of a sudden you're in the cabinet snacking on foods and you didn't even know how you got there. Or you're going through a drive-through and you didn't even know how you got there. Those behaviors are often a way for your brain to deload how much stress is under. And so if you're finding that every day you're fighting against significant stresses in your life, whether it's work or home, and it's just not reducing, your body will start to take steps to help you with that stress. And it usually leads us to the behaviors that are getting us in more and more trouble. And on top of that, once we start making dietary habits a way of stress management, those same habits are usually making us more overweight, more unhealthy, and leading to more things like depression and anxiety, which make the stress worse. And so try to take some steps to, one, check on your stress, and we'll put a link below to analyze your stress and see ways to reduce it. And two, try to make steps to get the stress down because it'll make it easier to avoid cravings. You'll see your metabolism improve and you will feel a whole lot better.